Hi again, it's Mama B with Tips by Mama B. I'm going to put in a new product. I've decided to make my own website, easyprintabledownloads.com. The reason I'm doing this is because I'm concerned that Etsy, may, um, for no reason, just shut down my shop. So I'm just going to show you quickly how I added a product. So I went to my online store, but I did this because um, you can use any template you want, but I chose one that was e-commerce. So you just go to online store, and then in here you're going to want to click on products, and then in products you can list. I have already done two, but I just want to show you this one quickly. So then you're going to go to add products. In my case, I want digital products. So here you would upload the same way you would do like a mock-up with Etsy. I just don't have any available at this very moment because I just started. So here I'm going to put my title, and again I'm just playing around. So flower, fall, I don't know, image, whatever, picture. And then here, of course, you're going to narrow it down if you want. Subtitle ribbon has something to do with the coloring of that individual photo. They teach you about that as well. And then in here, I don't know if it'll still copy. I'll try it. You would just, there we go. You would just paste or whatever. I just pasted it right off of Etsy for mine. And then you're going to want to put whatever price you want. So I'll just put $1. If it was whatever more, you could always put a discount. And if you decide you want to use SKUs, you can do that. I'm always going to put it as track. And then even if I leave it at 10, it doesn't matter. But you do have to fill it in. Even though it's grayed out, you fill it in. And then here you're going to want to assign it. So I've already assigned two different categories. So you just click on here, same thing. I'm not going to go, but it would go to categories, and then you add whatever category you want. So right now I just have clip art and coloring pages for children. So then clip art, and then here you're going to want to upload whatever picture you need. So in this case, I'll grab this one, for example. It does take a few minutes, or not a few minutes, but it does take a couple of seconds for it to upload because it's quite detailed. So basically that's it for filling in a product. And then of course you're going to need to attach it to your store. So I'll explain that in another video. I just want to show this one really quickly because again it's super simple, and I'm going to hide it just so that if people come to my website there's not a blank page there. So that's it. So I'm going to every little thing that I learn, I will do a really quick short video, and hopefully it'll help you. And of course you're going to want to save. Okay, so it's saved, but there you go. All right, so that's it for today. I hope you have a good day. If you want to learn more quick little videos about doing a website with Hostinger, just make sure that you like. That just helps me, of course, with the channel. And if you subscribe, you'll be able to see the next video when I do any other feature or any other step on this website. I'll be able to record it for you. Okay, thanks. Have a great day.